I say? This is the side I'm not. This is the side. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys the difference between scrunching your hair and not scrunching your hair. So can you guys tell which side I scrunched? What? So can you guys tell which side I scrunched and which side I didn't? If you're interested in seeing the result, then stay tuned. So this is the side I am going to scrunch and this is the side I'm not. And today I'm going to be styling my hair with the OGX Prakashi Recovery Oil Combing Cream and the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. So for this side, I put a lot of product in my hair, so I'm just gonna take the excess out with my microfiber towel and I'm gonna scrunch. Yeah, you can instantly see how much curlier my hair gets after I scrunch. Alright, so for this side, I'm gonna take the same microfiber towel and I'm gonna just squeeze the product out of it. So I'm not gonna scrunch, I'm just gonna squeeze. So this is the side that I scrunched, this is the side that I didn't. If you can see, the curls are a lot more defined over here, like they're just a lot more coily. So yeah, this side's a lot curlier. And then if you take a look at this side, it's more kind of just like wavy. The curls are still very defined, but they drop down a little bit more. Now my hair's still wet, so we're not going to see the full effects until after I diffuse. And when I'm diffusing, I'm also going to be scrunching up this side and then diffusing how I normally would on this side. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so these are my results. There's not a huge difference, like they're around kind of the same length. I do notice though that this side's a lot more curly, like a lot more coiled compared to this side where the curls just kind of like fall. I'll get closer. So these curls just kind of fall. And then these ones were like a lot more defined. And a lot more clumped up. So overall, I feel like I got, like originally while I was diffusing, I felt like I was getting a lot more volume on this side because I was like scrunching up the hair this way, so you see like a lot more volume. But once this side dried, like it just kind of did its thing and it's like pretty voluminous compared to this side. Because this side was like held tightly together, like the curls are a little bit more stuck together. So like in the end I didn't get as much volume like compared to this side. Let me try and fluff it out and see what happens. I'm pleasantly surprised. So while I fluffed, this side kind of just held its shape, held its curls. Now that I'm actually like looking at it, this side falls differently than this side does. Like it looks like the same size because I'm pulling it forward, but if I let it fall, this side's a little like just a little bit more coiled up than this side is. Like if you can tell, this side's a little longer. So it definitely falls differently. So I also noticed that with scrunching, because your curls are so much more defined and a little bit more sturdy, it's easier to kind of just like keep the shape. So like I fluffed this side a little bit and it just kind of stays there, whereas if I fluff this side sometimes it just stays, and then after a little bit it just kind of like goes back down. So I feel like that's really good to note. Like if you see I'm like fluffing this and it just kind of stays, whereas this side does not do that. This side's a lot more softer and just relaxed. And this side just kind of has a little bit more shape. So that's pretty cool. Based on what I'm seeing here, it all depends on what you're looking for, or what you're expecting from your wash and go. So if you want a more defined coily look, then definitely diffuse by scrunching, or definitely scrunch when you're doing your hair. Compared to this side, both sides look really, really nice. I definitely know that this side's gonna last a lot longer than this side, because as you can see, it's already getting pretty frizzy. I haven't scrunched my hair in a very, very long time, so this was pretty enjoyable to see the results and everything now that my hair is a lot longer. But yeah, this concludes today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.